It's time again today for another edition of our 1+1 giveaway. News Center 1 and First Interstate Bank teaming up to award a teacher with $500 for a special classroom project. And this week's winner is Andrea Theodorf, who teaches 3rd grade at Blackhawk Elementary School. The 3rd graders are learning about life cycles and habitat, and the school loves to have them learn about a frog's life cycle. Ms. Theodorf is excited to be able to provide that experience along with a field trip.
I would like to buy a kit for my class and then the other 2 3rd grades, and we're going to watch a tadpole grow into a frog, and then also take a trip to Reptile Gardens and see some real-life habitats.
And I have it on very good authority that they actually started that frog as a tadpole. That's how in-depth this project has been. One of the students telling us it's one of the most fun things they've ever done in school. Theodorf says that teaching the team and the teaching team at Blackhawk Elementary tries to make learning fun and meaningful. News Center 1 and First Interstate Bank are proud to be able to provide this experience for the students.
It's great to be a part of an organization that's wanting to give back to kids. We see them as the future for everybody, so the more we can do that to help out kids and help out the teachers and everything they want to teach is something good that we like to do.
And if you would like to apply or nominate a teacher for our 1+1 giveaway, you can visit our website at newscenter1.tv and click on the chalkboard icon.